Hello guys, and welcome to my first video. Today we are going to be making Rasta Pasta Chicken, and we are going to be using onion powder, chicken bouillon, some Creole, and some garlic powder for right now, just a little something. And I have chicken legs instead of the thighs or the breast. We're going to try something different today. I'm about to cut up the chicken and start seasoning the chicken. I already have the stove on. I already have the oil in the pot, getting ready and nice and hot. Yes. So that's what we're going to be making today. And guess what? It's going to be finger looking good. Okay, I'm going to show you how I cut up the chicken legs for the Rasta Pasta Chicken. It's not like the original way. It's a different way, my way. Just watch. I'm splitting it open, to get all the seasonings in there and to make sure it's all the way done, because I do not like my meat red or pink inside. My meat has to be all the way done, guys. And I hope you guys like your meat all the way done. And then I poke some holes in the back a little bit, and I'm gonna fry it. I'm gonna put it in the skillet so it can get done. And then I'm gonna season this up. Again, with the garlic powder, the onion powder, stuff like that, guys. So that was my last piece. And now I'm gonna just mix all the seasonings in. Just mix it all in. And I'm not making this Rasta pasta like no Jamaican way or nothing like that. I'm doing it my way. That's suitable for me and my household. So yeah. We all can just do it the way we want to do it. There's no right or wrong way. I'm coughing. I say, if you're not coughing or sneezing, you ain't seasoning. Okay, guys, now I'm going to put the chicken in the frying pan. The chicken that I cut up. Let's get this cooked up and going. And yes, I already washed the chicken off. Before I came on camera, the chicken was washed off. I don't think all this chicken is going to be able to fit. Fire it up too high. Turn the fire down. You don't want this stuff to burn now. And I'm not frying it like I'm frying chicken. I'm frying it just enough for it to get done. Put some more grease in there. Guys, my nose is running from the seasoning. That's what we love to see. We love to know that it's seasoning on our food. Yes. We love to see it. Okay, I'm going to let this fry up a little bit and get done. But this is how it's looking so far. So while the chicken is over there on the stove, I'm going to cut up some peppers. to go into the Rasta Pasta. How you guys cut your peppers? Do you cut it on the inside, or do you cut it on the outside or the inside? I cut mine on the inside because it's just a little bit easier like that. So yeah, I cut mine on the inside because it's easier. Look how it just so much easier. But yeah, I'm going to cut these peppers up to make sure we have some color, some good looking nice color in our Rasta pasta. I didn't get a yellow pepper because I got the package, and in the package it only came with orange and red. And I'm going to cut up the whole pepper. I'm putting all the peppers in because I'm making a big serving. I'm going to make a big serving, guys. Because who wouldn't want a big serving of Rasta pasta? Who wouldn't? You know, who wouldn't want that? Well, what are you guys cooking for dinner tonight? What are you guys going to have for dinner? Is it a special occasion? Are you just going to cook something fast? Those 10-minute meals, which I love the 10-minute meals. Especially if you have a good-sized family, or if you just want something that's in a rush, that you're in a rush to do because you have some plans and you have somewhere to be and you have something to do. Yeah. Who wouldn't like those type of meals? And I will be making those too on this channel. I'll be making all kinds of things. You just got to stay tuned. You got to subscribe. You got to like my videos. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Yes. Okay. The peppers are all done. Well, for the most part of what I'm going to have in there. And I'll be back. Okay, now we're going to saute the peppers. And this is how the chicken is looking. It's looking so good. Okay, so now we're going to start boiling the noodles and making the sauce. I mean, you can add as much butter as you want in. So you put your desired amount of butter. And put a little bit of cream cheese. So we're going to be using cream cheese today. You know, like I said in the beginning of the video, you guys can put whatever seasonings and whatever, you can make it however you like. We're going to use heavy whipping cream. We'll just look at the way all the seasonings and stuff came to the top. Look at all that seasoning in there. Put a little bit of cream cheese to make it more creamy. And you know, you can't forget the jerk seasoning. I'm not going to put that much. And I'm just going to stir it all up in there. I still have some chicken on the frying. And I'm waiting for my water to boil so that I can start putting the noodles in there. But I'm going to let this simmer for a little while. I'm just going to stir it a little bit. Look at all of that. This smells so good, guys. This smells so good. Like really finger looking good. Yeah, look at that. Look at those seasonings. Yes. Then I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Stir it some more. Add a little bit more Creole up in there. Some garlic powder. And some onion powder. I love seasoning. So this is how it's looking, guys. This is how it's looking. I'm going to let this simmer. And then we can start adding things to it. Adding the noodles. Which I am going to add the noodles in there right now. It's boiling enough. Oh, guys. I think I added too much water. We're going to take some of that out. It's okay. Because we're going to take some water right up out of there. Look how easy that is. Bam. Bam, boom, bop. Because I have to add more noodles. And then I'm going to stir it. Wait for that to boil. I do have the fire up. I don't want it too high for the sauce. I don't want the sauce to burn. You know, don't want it to burn. And I'm making a big pot of this. So I did almost use all the whipping cream. It's 1 quart. I'm going to add a little bit more. Might as well go ahead and finish it. But look at all them seasonings. I wish you guys can smell this. It smells so good. It smells so good. And I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. See, I like to play with my food when I cook it. I like to play with my seasonings and add things and add color. I love color. I don't like it when it's looking bland. I don't like when it's tasting bland. I love it when it's color, and I love it when it's seasoned very well. So it's later on in the day. So what you guys doing today? What you guys have planned? Do you have anything planned? Do you have anything planned with your family? Or are you doing anything by yourself? Going on solo dates? Are you just in the house chilling? What you guys doing? Tell me, talk to me in the comments. Let's go. Okay guys, I added the noodles and the chicken. Look at the peppers just peeking through. I'm going to stir it up some more, but it smells so good. Yes, guys, you have to make this Rasta Pasta Chicken. And I made mine with drumsticks, but you can make it with thighs, you can make it with breast, you can probably even make it with wings. However you choose to make your food, that is how you make your food, period. It looks so good, guys, so good, 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 good. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm done. Here's my Rasta pasta. I sprinkled a little bit of parsley and I'm gonna try the first bite with you guys. This is good. This is good. This is real good. And this is my first time making this today with you guys. My very first time. And we did it together. We did it together. How good does that look? Okay. Let me give you a bite. Here you go. We did it together, our first time. So I just want to say to you guys, thank you so much for chiming in today. Couldn't even talk because I taste all the flavors. But thank you for chiming in with me today. And I want to say, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And it'll be a lot more cooking coming your way, and it'll be a lot more things, new things we're going to try together. So I want to say thank you for coming in with me today and chiming in and preparing this Rasta Pasta Chicken with me. And you guys have a blessed day. Okay guys, I'm all done, and this is what it's looking like, Rasta Pasta Chicken. And I'm going to give you guys the first bite. Ah, how you like it? Okay, now let's try it. This is it. This is my first time making this with you guys. It's so delicious, so flavorful. Oh my goodness, you have to try this. You have to make this. It tastes so good, good, good. Okay. So don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe this video, because it's going to be a lot of more exciting dishes that we're going to all make together. And I am just ready to explore all new dishes from all over the world. And you have a blessed day. Okay guys, I'm all done making the Rasta Pasta Chicken, and this is how it turned out. Okay, I'm going to have the first bite with you guys because this is my first time making this. This is so good. You guys have to make this. It's so good. Okay, I'm going to end the video off here, and I want to say to you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my videos and to my channel. Bye.